Watch your people. You bother that just drop out. The entire stem just drop. Whoop! Swear.
Anything can happen to anything live.
See bosses. Some big never the people. I run for the vlog for one. Yeah. Big boss man. Oh, we gotta check on the pig them, you know. Pig I give birth yesterday. Eat baby. Whole heap of pig. Every time I get the chance, I always like to highlight the pigs them. Good morning, sir. Yeah. Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, welcome back with your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. You know today is gonna be another epic video again. So excited because today is the first I'm actually gonna shoot video at this location. Never ever go there before. So you know, so that's a thumbs up right there. So in this video we are gonna do some stew peas. So it's a mixture between pork and beef, so and that is another first again where many personally hear about it but they never even actually see how we prepare. So you know, so that up on the channel today. Stew peas with a mixture with pork and beef, and also some breadfruit dumpling, boiled food, and pressed plantain. And once I wait for a dog, them you know, Nadisha. And then you know we are going to pick up calm them. The entire team are out this morning again. Dogs, everybody there, except come wake up late people, so.
Come there woman look about him husband dinner. Yeah.
Once more bro, we are say happy Father's Day to the great father them, you know what I mean? Chef Denton. Pick up yourself bro.
Yeah, I want to say happy Father's Day to my mother, Jacqueline Miller. Pick up yourself, mommy.
Happy Father's Day to my team. The entire tall man, bless myself. Hearts of love.
Let's keep the team out. One more great adventure again. Yeah.
So we get everything right. I guess over left. Because we know what look out here. The pig steak.
My left Rasta favorite.
So big up Chris here on the camera. I want to share responsible to the vlog today. We never have class tomorrow. So unfortunately, in the home.
The boy want left Rasta favorite, the pig steak. I want to try you there.
Eh? Yeah. It a left people because they got a pig steak in your brother.
I want this youth. You can't left out my... I want the blood skirt. But you left out my favorite.
Pig steak. So we're gonna take about 3 of them. We're gonna take about 3 pig steak.
Let me carry it. Let me carry it. For me, if you carry it, that's for me. Yes, Lord.
I see. Happy Father's Day to all the loving fathers out there.
Yeah, we want water. We buy one of the hang with the hangler. What's your mother the pork?
Pork to the world. I will say pork, Lord. Pig tail. I worry.
What do you want them?
No, you want.
What do you want them?
You want to pay a beef, man?
No, I pick still me. At least I feel man.
What do you want them?
Wait. Me I want
pigs. I want to chicken a pig.
No, what I'm saying.
Man, with the pig steal star.
Yes,
man.
Yeah, man.
Great hit.
Yeah, another one again.
We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Hot again.
Caribbean Vibes out again.
Yes, man.
One more.
Look if you see water there.
I'm gonna watch it.
I take one by the hangler. One of them small one there. I think one of them small one there are. Take one of the small. So one of the hungry. Take one of them small one.
So Father's Day present, you know what I mean? What? Yeah, you want to buy a present, you know what I mean? Yeah?
We have rum cream,
Yeah, I want to represent. Chrissy, thank you.
Yeah, boy,
I bring
I represent. Oh my
Me
word.
done my money
Somebody, you
yesterday,
want this one?
Paggy.
Oh my God, no problem. Thank you, thank you. So you see the ladies them great in our team? Yeah.
Yeah, so we just come out back out of shoppers here, get the pork and the water. That are the only thing we did left. So we are head out now. Another amazing day. Team Caribbean Vibes. Team Chrissy there behind the vlog. She's looking so stunning today. I'm telling you. And about we catching up on the way, guys.
Yes, Steve. Our first time at this part. We've been to this river before, but our first time right here. It's a beautiful look, it's a good look.
Water look nice.
So they are going, we just come a few first, so we are going to search out the place and see which part we are catching fire and which part we are going to tear up the canvas. Please, sir, stick around till we line up. Boom.
Yeah guys, so gonna make one step to go down. Yeah. Hopefully I'm gonna slide so my phone get mess up today. Beautiful nature at its best. Beautiful location, people. So we are searching all of the beautiful location them where we can push out video game, you know what I mean? Yes man. Yes sir. Yeah.
Yeah guys, out again, one more mama again and tap, you know, big up. Yeah man, Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Out.
We are getting the place line up to kick off the ball.
You don't put off sit there.
We are line up the work surface.
I want to sit there. I want to sit
What
there.
that king?
I want to put them out,
I must
man.
sell, we are sell. Yes man, I like the place man. Breadfruit
steel.
and plant,
I promote
everything.
that,
Big steel promotion, you see?
Remember we are line up the table man, the car for ball. That is it.
Dog gotta take a shower. Every dog love water. Cause they can't swim. See that one dog that and he love water.
Yes man.
You love water.
Life, man. Water life man. Yes
Eh?
man. Without water we can't survive.
Yeah, we are get a assist.
Ox.
Yeah, sharp boy. I fly through them so man, okay?
You like that, eh?
You go and move me like that. It's all the point of time, man.
You like that, guys.
Blessed love. Yeah, we'll get some corn, piece of pumpkin, go up on the farm. Yeah, and me have some green pepper too. Right about it. See there? Peppers.
Yeah, so
Right
pepper them
peppers.
big
And
now.
them prepare big. You understand? Yeah.
And see me all buy all corn, is it?
You understand? So we never buy none, but
Yeah.
that's how it goes still, you know?
Mhm.
Never know until we know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the farm is right over there. Candy farm. Bless it. Bless it.
Yeah, Rasta.
Yes please, so we'll get the pig scale. Wash off, you know pig scale carry. A good amount of salt. You wash off it and get it on the fire and scald off it. And then after we scald it off, we wash it off again Meat are cut up. And then we get the seasoning.
Yeah, people. You know what I say? I'm responsible for the beef today. Yeah, so it's a stew piece. There's a mix between the beef and the pork. Yeah, so I go actually season them and cook them separate. So I'm gonna take out some of the beef for myself. Cause you know me not really trouble with pork like that, you know. Rasta not really eat pork like that.
What are you talking about? Rasta not eat pork like that.
Where you pick the last week though?
Well, I just sample it.
Okay.
Yeah, I test it. Where me come from? Oh, the pork, where me come from a different pork, this is Chrissy. How me not come from a pig?
You come from porky.
Oh, Chrissy. Oh, Chrissy has some remember where me come from. I'm not a pig me come from. See? Yeah, so we are cut up and then wash off with some vinegar and season up.
Yeah. Beautiful scotch bonnet pepper. My word.
Yes, man.
And corn.
Yeah, man.
Production of candy.
Oh, my word.
Candy farm.
Yes, man.
So after washing the peas, we add 2 cloves of garlic in it, little pimento seed. So I boil the peas separate from cooking the meat. When every time the meat almost done cooked, then that's when I'm gonna add everything together. Alright. So we have on the peas on the fire, you know. Go and boil. So I add a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. I add some scallion, onion, chopped garlic. I go add a piece of thyme and for powdered season, little meat season, some pimento seed. And you know pimento seed is an all-purpose spice, very traditional when you're cooking Jamaican food. I'm going to use some garlic powder. We're going to use a little all-purpose seasoning, you know.
Good one, Maggie.
Yeah. Still another.
Old dog secret.
Yeah. Yeah, we are the brother,
Yeah.
I want to finally reach on the spot where I tell you about father. I want to, we are going to add a little soya sauce. You know, just add a little bit of color into the meat. Just a little darker shade. We are going to rub in. And leave it to marinate, you know. Many persons, whenever we are season meat, we like do it overnight or a day or two before. We hold the season more, but because we are shoot the video on the spot, so it still come out good, still come out with a lot of flavors, because everything when it come on to cooking is a balance. You have to know if you balance your herbs and spice. That's how you get the food to come out very nice. Finally reach my father. Yeah.
Nice place, man. I told you we done finish clean up.
Yeah, think about doing camping video over here.
Yeah.
You say you play safe for that?
Yeah, man. You can't work, man. I have to put in some more work. Get the place up.
It doesn't really matter because I tent where I sleep over here.
Yeah, man, a candy farmer, man. I let them on there sick. Then pretty corn there, and then pretty pepper and the pumpkin. Yeah, man, a candy, man.
Yeah, that's what I go for it, man. That's what I go for it.
Really, man.
Yeah. You have to go give you a tour of a farm on there, my brother.
Yeah, man. You can go to a farm, man.
Yeah, man, no problem. Yeah, we'll add just a little bit more soya sauce to it. Yeah. This is perfect, so we are going to leave it to marinate.
So yes, people, so you get the pig's tail cut up. In order to get the salt out of it, we cut it small. Some people that boil the whole, but in order to get the salt out of it, you get it cut up smaller. So the salt can boil out.
Nice bamboo seeds that build up so we can sit down.
Yeah, man. Good old pig's tail, red peas and beef. Yeah. Can't wait to get in a pig's tail.
Yo, we are the one man that chop off Rasta head, but
I will play. Yo, hey, yo. Hey. You know, food in the show, yo. You want to chop off Rasta head?
Good old axe, boy.
Yeah, man, I get the pig steel cut up here. I can see fire them and blaze like wow. Come on, Chrissy the behind the scene.
Doing a great job.
Great job.
And the boss lady there behind the scene, I do a great job today, guys.
We're out and active.
Yeah, man, wants to pick up candy again, man, the farm.
Man, you know? Farm.
Yeah, man, I farm.
Candy, you know?
Yeah.
Let's go, bro.
You get in the pig steel like pot. You see what pot a boil up. Yeah? You boil it up in order to get out some of the salt out of it. Yeah. You can see we cut it up small. More easier to boil out the salt. Yeah. Yes, peeps, as you can see, we have some breadfruit dumpling we are going to do. They use half-high breadfruit. You cut it up and get it grater. Cut it up, peel it, and get it grater. You need the dumpling.
Another hit video again.
And a hit one again, man.
Yeah, Caribbean vibes cooking.
Breadfruit dumpling. Oh my word. Sweet potato, dasheen, yam,
So we are going to add a
pig
little
steel and
butter.
beef. Oh my word.
Yeah, we are going to add a little piece of butter in it.
And we say cooking, you know, man. Caribbean vibes cooking. And we say cooking. And we put the C in our cooking. We'll get the breadfruit grater, the breadfruit dumpling. You fire bust like gunshot. I stone them a bust it. Grate our breadfruit dumpling today. And mix it again, peeps.
Another hit.
Want to say happy Father's Day to Tall Man. I don't know. China, you go. Candy,
Happy Father's Day.
whole team.
Same to you, sir. Happy
All
Father's
like good father them. Happy
Day.
Father's Day.
Behind the camera. Happy
Don't know what
Father's
things
Day.
say. All who say father kids went off for them. Happy Father's Day same here.
Happy stepfather day, too.
Yeah man, happy stepfather day too man. And you have some stepfather with father, some kids went off for them. Big up on yourself. All the hard working father, big up on yourself on a day. But there man, a Team Caribbean vibes. Oh.
Sweetie mango.
Whoa.
Wow.
Good.
Wow.
Courtesy.
Courtesy of candy.
And
My
sweetie mango.
favorite mango, sweetie mango them.
The mango sweet one more time.
You want girl on with team, you see? And she want to get a mango for eat.
Oh my word. Janela, if you watch a video, them a mango yeah. Oh.
Sweet mango.
Oh my, a really sweet mango.
Sweet mango one.
He not Rasta, he not Rasta. He not Rasta. No, sir.
I see you the Rasta. The Rasta. Show them where the Rasta.
Deal with the mango.
Show them where the Rasta. A mango, of course a mango. Watch out.
He call me finger.
Oh my God.
One mango can sweet us.
Oh my God.
Candy. The mango you good.
Yeah, but remember say my married body that's eat cycle for eat mango.
Yeah man.
No?
Mango.
Yes man, the mango then sweet brother. So you get in the flour. Like breadfruit. Already great breadfruit. So we're getting some salt. And we're going to add a piece of butter in it. You know, the butter gives it a nice flavor. So we're going to mix up now. Yeah man, I mixed in the breadfruit in the flour. With the butter.
Bro,
Yeah, China man, I go take you first dive on the
not you
vlog
people.
today.
I'm not a swimmer, you know, but I can dive.
Chrissy, your turn.
You can't swim.
Welcome.
Afraid. I can't take the sea bottom and
Go.
go jump
We're
back.
further.
I will go at the shallow part, the baby part.
Yeah, going to kiddies pool.
Yeah, kiddies pool, that's me.
Brina, you go? No, son, I go. You can't
Jump
swim.
off. Brina, I can't swim.
Brina can't swim.
But who jump off and I know but I'm trying nothing.
Go tell up in a mig like me go sit
Come
in.
on, look on the something there, the long something there, water.
I'll leave. I'll leave.
You sure? She must swear.
See there.
Come on, can you see me catch a brain?
Cinnamon now.
Peas finally ready, so we'll get off the peas.
Jerry water.
It's a great hit, yo. River water. Yeah, me and tall man. You understand?
Chris, come with you.
Yeah, Chrissy them afraid I water, I don't know why. No sir. No sir, that one is not accurate. Yeah, jump. Yeah. It's a new location guys. First we actually come here so many persons up on the vlog today. No sir. Watch out. He can't swim one. He can't swim. Yeah, hold the camera, we show them up. Yeah, hold on them, hold on. Just hold the camera, hold on. Yeah. Yo, I'll show you how you take one head as my brother.
Make you do that.
Then go do it now.
That's how we done, my boy.
Chrissy, you can't swim? How comes you can't swim? Yeah. A lot of beautiful females upon the river today. How comes? Chrissy too coward there, man. Yeah, put it down there, man. Thanks.
I'm phone them, start me.
The females, I'm gonna wash here and everything I done today. Swear.
Yeah, what I came like today,
Yeah. I mean, like, I first actually come here, so this a part of and like the atmosphere good, you know? Yeah.
You're too bright.
Come, Chrissy, take a dip now. Watch ya. You don't have a skinny dip. So, see me lock my in-law up there, so people, Dion, big up yourself. Yeah, we are going to put on the beef now, so I'm going to saute the garlic. Now make it catch a golden color. Add in the beef. Cut a rock.
What's that too?
I give it a stir, ensure so you know, hitching in a pot, you know. Also got other little cloves. So in the meantime, after I finish stirring, I will leave it and cover it so it can actually produce its own liquid.
Yeah, peeps, we are getting the dumpling them in the pot. Without breadfruit dumpling in the pot. Dumpling for days. Don't it? Yeah.
How much you want, Evan?
About 3.
6 months, you know.
I just want 3 and I go there probably 2.
yeah.
I want dumpling pan, but you know, say, the last time, you know, when we did do the
It's pot roll.
soup now, man. But the flour name, what would you do?
Oh,
The pumpkin.
the pumpkin dumpling.
That is soft and nice, you know, so probably me consider and take 4.
Yeah, man, breadfruit dumpling are
I
nice.
was like, 5 dumpling good enough, you know, 5. Yeah, man, 5, you know.
Tall man, me eat you one.
Yo, dog, where's so much you want, dog?
Oh, man, I eat them, you take half dozen.
Alright, bro.
So much.
This I am.
So you get the coconut grater. You go in and stew. You know, say coconut without, you know, stew without coconut, no, can't bad. So you line up the coconut for the stew beef alongside the pig stew. People never know what I want. Can't pressure cooker bottom, can't pressure cooker rubber, can't tap the weight for pressure cooker. No cover. Trouble in the camp. No cover for pressure in the beef. I put a boil up. Yeah, man, the dashing. You can't see the stone I got on body. Wicked fire blaze. The stone is a prop like, I don't know.
Brina, what make you shake so?
Ice in body.
Eh?
One body.
Yes. 18 yarn in my pot. I put a boy stone around and get it. I don't mind stone liquid now. I wash my eye in the car. You are going to wicked.
Stone a prop.
I know boss. I hope you no bus and kill me. I hope you bus like a balloon or bus like a gun. And boy and not kill me. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, me write the tune for in the 80s. I hear me. You know if you love it, you can't hate this. You can't hate it. Yes, kill some queen. Are you ready to rumble? Cheetah. You know hear me say? And then, no pa me bang, y'all, no pa me bang, y'all, no pa me bang, no pa me bicycle bang, cho, no pa me bang, y'all, no pa me say no pa me bicycle bang. Cheetah living in the country, me alone, this is span. And buy a bicycle to me if you walk far. One day me I come from over Sankar. Back up this right girl over there call Ninja. She said Cheetah told me go there, so me say it too far. Can't start tell me if we come do with that. Me say that head girl joy. Why you come for war? Show me not to you for me bicycle. But she said Cheetah from one day I go like superstar. Show you buy a bicycle suppose to one car. Listen to me joy, me want you listen to me now. Cheetah know you for your mug like a junker. Until you get big and so. The Jack said me carrot can't fit the church. She said Jesus Christ is a most miracle. I could do that the Cheetah this way short on to go. And when I go to school, me hate her like pies. How the hell me get with the mingle with you? If you want come test, I'll touch a button. I'll tell you bunky lotion all over you. Chew me young, that's why joy. Run me down, chew me handsome, that's why joy. So count me tongue. The first time I went this and go to stadium, joy she a rush me till me nearly drop down. Cheetah make him escape and me started to run. When me look behind me.
Jaja! Cheetah!
You know what I mean? And Cheetah, man. Cheetah, man. Cheetah, man. In a way, party gone. In a way, party, yes. In a way, party gone. Time,
Yeah,
man.
people. Adding the sweet
No, put it
potato
back.
and
You know
the
they keep
breadfruit.
it dancing at all.
Much more easier to cook.
Operator for the pot.
Tall man.
Fire under that. Operator for the pot. Fire under that. Operator for the pot.
Fire under that.
Operator for the pot.
A fire under that.
With the cow skin as the entertainer. Look panta, tall man. Him a the
Guys,
danger.
we have an
You know the pot we gone down. You know the pot we You know the pot what? You know they keep in a dancing a tall man soup pot. Operator for the pot and the fire under that. With the cow skin as the entertainer. When cow start talk, appeal after. Turn the phone to the river. In a tall man podcast have a no enter.
Guys, all on Caribbean vibes cooking. All on Caribbean vibes cooking.
It's all about vibes. It's all about vibes. You book one artist for the river. It's all about vibes.
Under the pot, you know, fire under that.
You know they keep in a dance. Tall man soup pot. Operator for the pot and the fire under that. with the coasting as the entertainer. When cocoa start talk, appeal after. All vegetables start dance together. Red peas and bubble pan the one chota. Chota a bubble pan cucumber. In a tall one pot cassava don't enter. Dian, big up my sister there.
Yes, now that the beef done cook, you know, so I add in the pig's tail. So all of who not eat beef today and who not eat pork today, I don't know how it go, including myself.
Pick it out. Pick out the beef. You have a taste, you know?
Yeah, me no problem, bro.
Tasting pork?
Yeah. Remember say it's a food channel,
okay.
So there's no skepticism when it come on to food.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
So we are going to add in the peas, you know. So we are going to add adequate amount of it. I don't really want to overpower it when it come on to the peas. So we are going to add in the coconut milk. You know what I mean? And we are going to allow the coconut milk to cook down in the stew peas. Seems like the peas last night, so we'll add a little bit more. Yes, man. Stew pea is rich in a coconut milk already.
Yes, Steve, you add in the corn, man. I'll put a piece of scallion in it and add a little piece of butter. A little salt now. Add in the corn. Corn for days. Right. Watch sweet corn.
Because the pot can't really hold everything, so we have to use a separate pot.
Yeah, the food pot can't hold everything, so we use one next time.
Yeah. Food pot load, could it?
Yes, sir. Food for days. Breadfruit, sweet potato. Woo! What's stew peas? Wow.
My God.
I'm just recently adding the spinners then.
Spinners then.
Yes.
Yeah, because stew peas is a traditional Jamaican cooking, you know, and to me stew peas can't be stew peas without the spinners.
For real, man. True, man. Good old pig's tail with beef. Boom.
Subscribe my people. Subscribe.
Yeah, man, out, you know.
Yeah, man, guys, Nadisha not really 100% because she get a cut in her hand, but it'll come on good, you know, so that's why I don't really see her so active behind in front of the camera when you come on to help you out, you know, but she soon get better, man.
Yeah, man.
You can see Chrissy sees up the stew peas. Adding the ground seasoning.
Yes, guys, I'm just inputting the seasoning for the stew peas, as you can see.
Yeah.
Some carrot, bell pepper, Irish potato, and scallion and thyme.
What stew peas?
Look at that. Beautiful.
Rich.
So after Chrissy just add in the herbs and spice, I'm just gonna add a little bit of margarine in it. And all of these is optional. Tend to love to use margarine because it helps to enhance the flavor. As you can see, the stew peas is looking really good and it's tasting so great right now. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of pimento seed in a hit. It's about 6 pimento seed. Yeah, I'm just adding the pimento seed. Yeah, me add a little bit of whiskey in a hit. All of that is optional. All of that. Caribbean vibes way this, you know?
Now let it bubble up, you know?
Yeah, take out the bone, that's not necessary. So I'm gonna make it dry down a little bit more.
Stew peas to the world.
Yeah, soup is raw, you know? Alright.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Only thing, to be honest, what I would want, I just want a little piece of pepper. But I'm not going to add no more spice in it because, like, I know everybody, especially Chrissy afraid of pepper.
Let's have a look at you. Let's have a look at
Yeah,
Let's have a look at pepper.
yeah, you can add in a few when you get.
Let's have a look at you.
Yeah, word. Rate that down. Subscribe.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man, guys. Rain a come down.
You can see it on the water top.
You know, we always set up a little camping settings, canvas tie up. Man, so vlog almost finished when they come on to cooking. The only thing what we have left for the press planting. I know planting not really take no time. I just peel them, half fry them and just roll them with a rolling pin. And that's a different style me I create on the platform when they come on to press planting, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we're not going to use the turn planting, I use green planting because the green planting I go hold more firm.
Watch the little fish now, fish now out. Yeah. Fish now out in the cars. Next time I come and fuck you with the line.
They say I eat flour and butter.
Yes, people, me hungry bad. You know me, love my food.
No, take off a man.
Like some really knife, man.
Yeah, you'll bite dumpling.
Bone creasing from the jumpy.
Flour and butter.
And I remember the days the girl.
No,
They
man.
just come to it.
I eat 3 more dumpling with this.
Wow.
Dog dumpling bad.
That's wicked.
Breadfruit dumpling.
Breadfruit dumpling tastes really good with the butter.
Why?
So imagine with the stew peas.
Why? Butter. Wicked.
Bring you want?
We have it dumpling and butter.
That's why I'm breeder.
Where's the breeder? We don't dump in a bag. Police will look for them.
They won't want it. Tastes really good, guys.
Yeah, fry the plant then, please. Now turn them. Then get pull up on the both 2 sides and then use the rolling pin and just press them out. And then put them back in the oil. Finish them up.
Please, me tell you the stone are wicked. If you know you have the stone, leak out your eye.
Like a crystal them. Crystal. Yeah man, in the meantime we are roast 2 corn on the side, same way.
Yes, man.
And we are turn the plant them. Dog did the right away, I press the plant in them.
Yes, man, press plant.
Press planting.
Boy.
Looking nice, bro. Looking nice.
See them there?
Gently press them and make them get some golden color.
Yes, people, as I can see now, the food's so ready.
Yes.
No long time, just a minute.
Yeah, right away.
Yeah. Can't wait to get in a
Yeah, go
big
there,
stew
go
pig
there,
still with the
go
beef.
there.
Breadfruit
Go there,
dumpling.
man. I can't wait for you to corn pork. I can't wait. Pigtail. Dog, you're not getting none.
You not get none?
You where? I'm going to go up pot and jump in the river too. It's on there.
I'm ready.
Eh?
Yeah. As I can see, planting there, press planting there ready. So we have sprinkle a little salt on it and a little black pepper. to give it a little flavor. Yes, peeps. Yeah man, it should come and land now, so you know what things still. Ready now for sure the food. It's about time. Yeah man, it's about time now. Yes peeps, as you can see, food ready, so we'll get the food share out. People now wait for the food. Good old breadfruit dumpling.
In the name of the Lord.
She now want me to happy.
Eh? Ready for food, brother. I see something that you did not see. Only me, I see it. Right, Alman?
No comment.
Okay, bro. Yeah. Chrissy,
We're ready for the food.
you ready for the food? You don't ready for that one too? Yeah.
So since Chrissy I go get the roast breadfruit, nobody put no boiling breadfruit in our plate. Right?
Yeah.
We like put breadfruit in it to something like
Come Rasta, speed up your hand, you move like a turtle today.
Yeah.
Right now I'm hungry, brother.
You jump?
Hey, we throw it in the river now.
You jump? Where?
Throw it in the river.
If you throw it, throw you have to.
Yes, man, we throw it in the river and run left now. Look at this.
Look on man. Look at somebody now.
Guys, the food tastes really good. And the sauce with the stew, really nice.
I play too long and push it this way. Yeah, as you can see, Talman take over.
Never fail, man. Never.
You say never fear.
Man, I live like Rasta.
No beef, no
Jaja. Food nice.
Yes.
No beef, no pasta. A beef.
Too long.
Beef,
Big steer.
No, you like it.
Big man over there saying, now look, you know, don't know. And the one is ready to eat, you know.
Food for days.
Yeah, we have limited space people, so I have to just literally run out some of the plate them and then can make way for more.
Don't let me know, man. Jesus. What's that going on?
What?
We leave a flour them.
What am to you flour them?
Can't show people flour them so.
Oh come, start on the camera and tap on us. Box it.
First night is soup is with dumpling. Yes, good.
See that? The woman
Bad.
country pepper. I can do it again, show him. Do it again, show him.
Yes, Kevin, you do it once again.
Wow, what am I do again?
Man, I don't know about. You can't even find the right word what to say. What me tell you say food?
Food.
Why being a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious? Alright, that's my word.
Alright. Bad boss.
Yeah, man.
We'll do more.
Ramu.
I tell you. More food today. We are going to watch your flow still. We are going to watch your flow.
You know nothing to say?
No.
Boy, all I know is I want a little baby in a big one body.
Bomba, take first a plate. Show your verse. Put your verse up.
Let's see, we know. Let's see. One type of friend.
Stay far from the food. Don't tell it.
No, it's one plate.
We think I'm going to my
Listen,
plate.
no, man, we are team leader now. We are talking
We think I'm going to
about
my plate.
No, bro.
I say you stay up.
I wouldn't do that.
I say you stay.
I don't like
Yes,
man.
peeps, see that.
What up, peeps? Another hit. Another hit, my team. Another hit.
I'm fat there. I'm refuse my hand.
You do that, no? I show them how you eat. I show them how you eat to the hand. My God.
Peeps, I hear something on the Sunday evening.
Subscribe.
breadfruit dumpling, stew peas with beef.
Boy. Anybody have any ice water? My God. Breadfruit dumpling bad. Charman. Let's eat that again.
Breadfruit.
How that?
Yeah, man. One more again. Stew beef with the pigtail.
Wow.
Breadfruit dumpling up. If it's a carby, load dumpling alone.
Breadfruit dumpling.
You
never know.
I can't do any
It
dumpling.
tastes nice. You know, when I hit my friend.
Come on, one more.
Caribbean vibe, boy. Jaja.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah, man. Like, subscribe.
Can. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I want the boy, man. I want the boy, people. Make sure me there, you know.
Man, request another portion again.
That is it. It's our second half, people. More creativities. Yeah, man. That's all. Fuck that, what is man for use me hand, you know. Alright. It's no one nothing. Father's Day, you know? We live for food. Oh my world! Rasta!
Real.
Rasta!
He's stew peas.
Jaja!
Fuck our work.
Rasta! For your fork or for your spoon, can't pop.
Never pop.
This again.
What's that? Ginger juice.
Oi.
Yeah.
Yes. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers here. Blessed. It's a nice day. Food. Nice. Nice. Stepfathers, bless up on yourself. It's your day.
Please cock. Next time I pull it down.
Full of time. Alright. Dalman, another hit. Bless up. Subscribe, my team. What do you say now?
No biscuit around here. Yeah. Really Father Day.
Where?
Daddy Day today.
The giving truck is here.
Hey, what's up there doing there? Left
The food was great today, but me get a little bit.
Nah,
you?
lie.
Yes, Rasta. As I'm telling you, a cooking channel. Anything cooked on the channel, I eat, me I consume. That I roll like channel. Yeah. Pork and beef mixed together. Tastes good. And when rain come down, we are going to try to wrap up the vlog for go home. But you don't know the routine, people. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yeah. Here, subscribe. People. Yeah, tell them.
Subscribe.
Nah, man. Bro, man.
The best part I focus on it gravy.
Yeah.
It's gravy bad.
Look at here.
Share one. You see?
Yes, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.
We flipping over Caribbean vibes. At it
Cooking
again.
vlog. Yes, man. One more day.
Bless up. All fathers, big up on yourself. One a day.
So
Every time.
And the mothers them with father them pitney fan. Yeah man, big up on yourself, mama.
My mother, father.
Yo,
Yeah.
My mother.
big up stepfather too.
The stepfather.
Hey, stepfather we get big up too.
Alright.
Godfather.
And Godfather.
Godfather here.
Caribbean vibes to the world.
Godfather. Anything about father, baby. Once you're a father, bless up yourself. Bless up. Yes, man.
Blessings.
Yeah, my people, the raid come. Yeah, man. The raid come in the best part where the food done. Everybody eat out, everybody have a good time. Hard rain, people, could it? Hard rain. I swear. Blessings, bro.
The second is so good.
Yeah.
We wait when everything done.
I tell you what, rain a fall hard. See there, guys. Don't know. Another great one again. Yeah, another great one, bro.
Another hit. People subscribe.
Yeah. I want to not fall hard, but that's why I'm telling you, we always have to prepare. We have to come prepare because we're there in a rainy season. So it better we set up a tent and then we don't need it, and when we need it, we not carry it. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's tent. He get pregnant for Father's Day. I swear. I say, who your dog belly bigger?
Double look here. That's it.